Welcome to Wazuh SIM workshop, Mastering Security Intelligence. Join the our Wazuh SIM workshop. Hi, I'm Bunyamin, and I am want to introduce to your upcoming 4-day online workshop. I will deliver deep into worldwide Wazuh SIM, exploring its powerful feature and functionalities and development. Who I am? I am Bunyamin, Officer Cybersecurity, Akis Group of Bangladesh. Target audience: cybersecurity professional, security analyst, incident response, SOC, security engineer, IT administrative, system administrator, Linux system administrator, network administrator, IT professional, and student and academics. Subscribe my YouTube channel, Boni Security. I will deliver my speech one day. Introduction to SIM or SOC, Wazuh feature, use case, Wazuh components, Wazuh indexer, benefit of Wazuh SIM, Wazuh server architecture, Wazuh dashboard, Wazuh agent, and requirement put. Second day, I will deliver project planning, Gantt chart, project management, project design, OS setup, Docker and Composer install, and all update. Third day, I will discuss Wazuh development, Wazuh dashboard, installing Wazuh agent, Wazuh user guide, SOC analyst roles and responsibility. Fourth day, I will discuss log collection and analysis, threat detection, incident response with Wazuh, file integrity monitoring, vulnerability detection, and reporting. Assignment, question and answer, meet with Wazuh partner company, workshop feedback. So thank you for feedbacking. Join our online training workshop. Please registration and book your seat. And the workshop will be start 6, 7, 8, 9 October. BD time 8 p.m. Duration 1 hour. Online platform Zoom. People are registration online workshop. I will sending mail. I will send Zoom class meeting link. Thank you everyone.